Mulai aja ya. Hari ini kita memasuki lesson 11 dan lesson 12. Nah, yang pertama, lesson 11 kita masuk ke extended conversation. Extended conversation adalah conversation yang jauh lebih panjang dibanding dengan part A. Jadi ini kita masuk ke part B. Nah, sesuai namanya conversation. Jadi nanti akan ada dialogues dari speaker 1 dan speaker 2 membicarakan tentang suatu topik tertentu. Nah, biasanya di awal ada di direction-nya ngomong nanti question 31 to 34. Misalnya, listen to two students talk about their psychology class. Nah, jadi teman-teman nanti langsung fokus aja. Karena temanya sudah dikasih tahu. Nah, karena banyak inti-inti yang disampaikan, maka nanti pertanyaannya juga banyak. Ada 5W1H seperti itu, dan ada beberapa pertanyaan inversi. Ini contohnya boleh dibacakan sama M1-nya dibaca Kak Ajeng, F1-nya dibaca Kak Dini. Listen to a conversation between two students. Kak Dini, please.
Bill, your physics major. Yeah. Bill, your physics major, aren't you?
That's
I need some advice. I want to take an introductory physics class, and I have to choose between two teachers, Professor Hunter and Professor McPhee.
We've
Do you
taken
know
class
much
from
about them?
both of them. To tell you the truth, I don't really like Hunter's style of teaching. He doesn't seem to care if his students understand or not, and his lectures are pretty dry.
Well, then what about McPhee? I've heard his course is difficult.
It's not easy, but you'll learn a lot, and he always encourages his students to ask questions and join in discussion.
Oke, kemudian muncul pertanyaan nih. What does the woman ask Bill to do? Ada tadi dibilang, I need some advice. Berarti selain advice, ini bisa diparaphrase menjadi information tentang dua gurunya. Nah, gurunya siapa aja? Ada Hunter sama Professor McPhee. Contoh pertanyaan kedua, what does Bill imply that the woman should do? Kira-kira yang mana? Change her major, discuss her problem to Professor Hunter, sign up for an easy class, take Professor McPhee's class.
Take Professor McPhee's class.
Oke, dibilang ya, bahwa itu memang sama-sama nggak mudah, tapi kamu akan dapat belajar yang banyak ya. Oke, good. Nah, betul. Nah, tipikal pertanyaannya ada topic question. Topic question nanti tipikalnya kayak gini. What are the speakers discussing? Question about setting. Nah, setting nanti ada time and location. Where did this conversation take place? When did this conversation take place? Question about the speakers. Who are the speakers? What is the probable relationship between the speakers? Nah, nanti ada nih ditanya detail-detail question. Detailnya nanti kan beda ya, pendapat speaker 1 dan speaker 2. Nanti according to the conversation, nah ini secara umum. According to the man, berarti kita fokus ke M1. According to the woman, berarti nanti kita akan menyimpulkan nih berdasarkan informasi yang kita dapat dari si perempuan. Kalau inverse, jadi kita menyimpulkan karena pertanyaannya tersirat, maka nanti tipikal pertanyaannya adalah what can be inferred from the man's comment about, what does the man imply about, what will the speakers probably try to do. Nah, nanti kan dikasih ya beberapa pause dari pertanyaan-pertanyaan. Jadi teman-teman bisa sambil baca dulu pilihan A, B, sampai D. Nah, dari pilihan tersebut teman-teman kayak kemarin ya kan udah diajarin. Oh, kalau ada kata keterangan waktunya, misalnya in the morning, berarti nanti akan ditanya tentang kapan. Taktiknya yang pasti familiar sama direction-nya. Kalau dibilang ini diskusi antara students, berarti nanti nggak akan jauh-jauh dari akademik. Pay attention to the introductory comment for each conversation. Misalnya si cowok bilang alpha, tetapi nanti ada kontradiksi dari si perempuan. Nah, ada dua fakta nih. Nanti kemungkinan yang ditanya yang perempuan atau yang laki-laki. Jadi teman-teman harus hafal. Preview the answer choice. Terus listen to overall concept. Yang paling utama, teman-teman harus tahu siapa yang ngomong. Misalnya antara guru dengan guru, antara guru dengan siswa. Where and when. Sama what is the topic. Langsung dijawab nanti. Kalau misalnya ambil tes, jangan ditinggalin yang kosong. Kita masuk ke lesson 11. Lesson 11, anticipating question about the extended conversation. Okay, a grade the student receive, a story about dance recital, the need for correct spelling, the role of reporter. Berarti ini karena agak umum, kemungkinannya adalah topik yang ditanyakan. Coba kalau nomor 2 apa? Ada bisnis, architecture, journalist, dance. Alpha, Charlie, atau Delta? Pilihan pertanyaannya di sini. For what class, atau what does the man advise, atau what problem? Oke, ada
Delta. What
bilangnya
problem?
Alpha. For what class did the man do the assignment? Cocok nggak? Kelas bisnis, kelas dance, kelas jurnalis, cocok? Oke, masih ragu? Coba nomor 3 apa? Ada she submit too long. It was too long. Oh, sorry. She submit it too late. It was too long. Some important details were omitted. Almost every word was misspelled. Berarti?
Delta.
Ini Delta, problem. Oke, good. Bravo, Delta nomor 3. Kalau 4, rewrite the story by a better dictionary. Go to more dense recital.
C.
Okay, Charlie, what does the man advise the woman should do? Advise, terus plan, terus suggest, diikuti sama verb 1. Berarti ini udah betul ya, yang alpha for what class? Nomor 2. Kita coba lagi nomor 5 sampai 8.
Lima C.
Nomor 5 sih. Kenapa itu?
Problem. What problem?
Oke, problem karena
He doesn't know
ada.
how to swim.
Oke. Karena ini konotasinya negatif ya. Oke, good job. Coba nomor 6.
Alpha.
Alpha.
Oke, good. Mawar, Mbak Laila. Alpha, across, south. Ini nama yang menunjukkan nama tempat ya. Nomor 7. Sign up, spend, take a break, take a bus.
Bravo.
Apa?
Bravo.
Bravo.
Suggestion.
Oke, bravo. Ingat ada verb 1. Nomor 8.
Delta.
Delta.
8 delta. Oke, sisanya
Ya,
at what
sisanya.
point in the semester ya? Just before the beginning of the semester. Berarti awal semester, during midterm, kayak gitu. Itu tanda-tanda waktu ya. Conversation 3
Ya,
selanjutnya.
kapan?
Art gallery. Museum.
Delta.
Oke, where?
Delta.
Good. Nomor 10, painting, sculptures, book covers.
A. What
Yang
kind
A.
of art
A.
does
What kind of art?
What? Oh, A. A Indonesia ya, berarti I. Oke. What kind of art? Jawab.
I.
Oke, I. Nomor 11. A story and a
Charlie.
newspaper. Oke, good.
Ya.
Resource ya. Source-nya dari mana? Sumbernya. 12.
A.
A. Who is taking part in this conversation? Oke, ada disebut ya orangnya. Berarti ini hubungan antara speaker 1, speaker 2. Yang 13. Berarti sisanya yang
Bravo.
bravo.
B. Bravo.
How would the woman probably describe the works of art that she saw? Oke, dia jelasinnya sebagai realistik, primitif, ya gitu. Sekarang masuk nih kita ke lesson 12. Answering overview question about extended conversation. Kalau overview question, berarti pertanyaannya nggak jauh-jauh dari 5W1H. Misalnya, what is the main topic? What are these people primarily discussing? Oke, sama ya, tentang diskusinya apa, topiknya apa. Where does this conversation take place? When, kapan? What is the relationship between the speaker? What is the man or woman's occupation? Berarti tentang who ya ini. Siapa dia, pekerjaannya apa, hubungannya apa satu sama lain. What is the speaker's attitude toward other speakers? Boleh baca M1 Kak Avita, F1 Kak Intan?
Kak Enta boleh tanya?
Boleh?
Yang itu tadi, what is one speaker's attitude toward the other speaker, itu apa tuh konsepnya?
Berarti nanti di iniin tentang dia attitude-nya kayak gimana. Misalnya dia membantu, misalnya dia menolong, dia senang. Misalnya dia jengkel ke speakernya.
Moral value, Kakak. Value.
Kayak gimana gesturnya, perilakunya gitu ya, yang attitude nanti. Nanti kita ketemu kok. Boleh dibaca dulu M1-nya? Ini saya suruh siapa ya? Kak Vita sama Kak Ajeng bukan? Bukan. Kak Vita sama Intan ya? Boleh dibaca M1-nya Kak Vita, Intan yang F1.
Hello. Hi, Rod. This Rita. I'm in your 9 o'clock class. I missed class because of a cold, and I was wondering if can borrow your notes.
I don't know if you could read my notes. I have terrible handwriting, but I can tell you what happened. Professor Phillips went over the material in chapter 4 about different types of stars in our galaxy, and she talked about what the midterm exam is going to be like.
You better tell me all about the main test. I really need to do well on it.
Oke, berarti nanti kita bisa ngambil kesimpulan ya. Dua-duanya dari speaker ini adalah student. Soalnya tadi bicarakan tentang materi untuk ujian. Terus they are probably taking a course in astronomy. Karena tadi bahas tentang bintang di galaksi. The class is about halfway over karena mau midterm. The rest of talk will probably deal with the material. Jadi nanti akan ngebahas tentang materi apa sih yang udah dibahas di kelas. Kita coba latihannya ya.
Listening Comprehension Part B. Extended Conversations. Exercises and Mini-Test.
There is no tape script for Exercise 11. Exercise 12. Questions 1 to 2. Listen to a conversation between a teacher and a student.
Professor Mueller, I've almost finished preparing my presentation for your class, but I'm not really satisfied with it. Could you give me some advice?
I'll be happy to. What topic did you choose?
It's about methods of predicting earthquakes, but so far it's just a lot of facts and figures. How can I make it more interesting?
Maybe you could use some computer graphics to help the class make sense of your statistics.
Number 1. What will the main topic of this talk probably be?
Oke, tentang ways to improve the man's presentation. Soalnya tadi bilang ya, gimana nih biar presentasiku menarik. Terus dibilang, tambahin ini, kata tadi tutornya.
Number 2. For what class is the man probably preparing a presentation?
Kira-kira kelas apa?
Geology.
Oke, geology. Kenapa?
Ada terdengar kata earthquake tadi, gempa.
Oke, ada earthquake ya. Tadi dibilang ada statistik, tapi statistik itu untuk data yang ditampilkan ya.
Questions 3 to 4. Listen to a conversation that takes place on a college campus.
Hi there, Dr. Newman. Do you remember me?
Oh, sure. We met at the reception in the dean's office last week, didn't we?
That's right. I'm Alice Hart. Are you on your way to a class?
Yes, I am, but I'm not in any great hurry. How about you?
Me too. I've got a German class in a few minutes.
Well, I'm going to a language class myself. You see, I teach signing.
Signing?
Right, signing. Signing is just a short way of saying American Sign Language. It's the language deaf people use to communicate.
Number 3. Who are the people taking part in this conversation?
Antara siapa nih? Antara language teacher and student.
Alpha.
And teacher. Oke, yang alpha. Kenapa?
Tadi language teacher yang profesor itu. Kemudian yang perempuannya kayaknya student, Kak. Dia katanya mau ngambil kelas Jerman gitu.
Oke, good. Terus kenapa yakin kalau language? Tadi dibilang ya, aku ngajar signing.
Iya, sign.
Number 4. What will the rest of the conversation probably be about?
Berarti abis ini akan ngebahas?
Alpha?
Alpha, the language of the deaf. Oke, alpha ya.
Iya.
Ada apa tadi kuncinya? Tadi udah bilang signing ya.
Dari kata signing tadi ya.
Iya, signing.
Good.
Questions 5 and 6. Listen to the following conversation.
I'm in Professor Quinn's psychology class. She told us that she'd put some articles on reserve for her class.
Yes, those would be at the reserve desk.
Do I need a library card to look at those articles?
No, just a student ID card. If you've never checked out any reserve materials, I can tell you what you need to do.
Number 5. What will the main topic of this conversation probably be?
Charlie,
Procedure for checking out reserve material. Oke, tadi dibilang ya, Mbak yang kedua. Oke, kalau ada yang bisa aku bantu, nanti aku bantu ya untuk kayak minjem buku untuk ngambil artikel.
Number 6. Where does this conversation probably take place?
Ini kira-kira di mana?
ya, library.
Library? Gara-gara ada apa tadi?
Apa kartu peminjam apa gitu?
Oke, kartu peminjaman buku ya. Kayak ID
Iya.
card-nya di library.
Questions 7 to 9. Listen to a conversation that takes place at a hospital.
Good afternoon, Dr. Marshall. I know you must be very busy, so I appreciate your taking some time to talk to me.
Well, that's all right. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm interested in a career in hospital administration. My academic advisor suggested I speak to you. I was hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad to. Is there something particular you wanted to know?
I was wondering what type of educational background a hospital administrator needs. Is a degree in medicine required?
No, not necessarily. Some hospital administrators are medical doctors, but many of us aren't. My own doctoral degree is in public administration.
Number 7. Why does the woman want to talk to Dr. Marshall? Number 8. What is Dr. Marshall's occupation?
Oke, tadi yang pertama. Kenapa dia mau nanya ke Dr. Marshall?
to get some advice, Bravo.
Oke, tadi dibilang ya, untuk mendapatkan advice tentang nanti mau gimana dianya ke pekerjaan masa depannya. Kalau nomor 8, kira-kira siapa Dr. Marshall?
Kenta tolong share screen-nya, Kenta.
Siapa?
Tolong share screen-nya, ini masih nomor 6 ya, tampilannya.
Oke, sorry. Aduh. Oke, berarti tadi nomor 7 tentang to get some advice ya, yang Bravo. Nomor 8 kira-kira siapa?
Alpha, Miss. Alpha, Academic Advisor.
Advisor, yakin? Coba diulang lagi.
Why does the woman want to talk to Dr. Questions 7 to 9. Listen to a conversation that takes place at a hospital.
Good afternoon, Dr. Marshall. I know you must be very busy, so I appreciate your taking some time to talk to me.
Well, that's all right. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm interested in a career in hospital administration. My academic advisor suggested I speak to you.
Oke. Pembimbing akademiknya yang minta bicara ke dia. Berarti dia bukan pembimbing akademik ya?
I was hoping you could give me some information
Bravo.
about the field.
I'd be glad to. Is there something particular you wanted to know?
I was wondering what type of educational background a hospital administrator needs. Is a degree in medicine required?
Oke, tadi tanya, kira-kira apa sih background untuk jadi administrator di sini? Nah, berarti si cowok itu adalah administratornya. Makanya dia minta saran, kan? Ya nggak? Masih bingung?
Hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad to. Is there something particular you wanted to know?
I was wondering what type of educational background a hospital administrator needs. Is a degree in medicine required?
No, not necessarily. Some hospital administrators are medical doctors, but many of us aren't. My own doctoral degree is in public administration.
Nah, terus dia bilang ya, aku misalnya ditanya kan, apa harus jurusannya? Terus dia jelasin nih, jurusan yang umumnya apa. Terus dia jelasin tentang dia doctoral degree-nya tentang apa. Berarti dia adalah administrator.
Number 9. What is Dr. Marshall's attitude toward the woman?
A. Helpful.
Bravo. Yang lain gimana? Apa discourage? Discouraging. Dia tadi lebih ke membantu ya. Dia bilang tadi, I'd be glad to. Berarti dia mau membantu si perempuan, ya nggak?
Bantu.
Lebih ke helpful.
Question 10. Listen to the following conversation.
Come on, Dorothy. Turn off that television and let's go. The softball game starts in 20 minutes.
Just a second. I want to find out who won the race.
What race? A marathon?
Well, it's kind of a marathon, but for dogs and dog sledders. It's called the Iditarod. It's run every year in Alaska.
Number 10. What will the main topic of this conversation probably be?
Halo?
Bravo.
Bravo.
Ball game.
Softball game, yakin? Yang lain gimana?
Charlie,
Charlie.
Oke,
dogs
Charlie tadi
let
kenapa?
race. Ada kata maraton tapi untuk anjing gitu.
Oke. Dog sled race ya. Aku mau tahu nih siapa yang menang. Maraton ya. Bisa dibilang gitu sih, tapi untuk anjing. Berarti dog sled race. Oke, sekarang kita ke nomor 11.
Questions 11 and 12. Listen to the following conversation.
Well, I had a nice relaxing vacation. How about you, Tina?
I wouldn't exactly call it relaxing, but it was interesting.
I remember you said you were either going to Europe or you were going to work at your parents' company.
I changed my mind and didn't do either of those. My anthropology professor talked me into volunteering for an archaeological project in New Mexico.
That does sound interesting.
Number 11. Who is Tina? Number 12. What will the two speakers probably discuss?
Oke, Tina itu siapa? Mau diulang? Halo?
Boleh, Kak.
Iya, Kak. Boleh diulang.
Questions 11 and 12. Listen to the following conversation.
Well, I had a nice relaxing vacation. How about you, Tina?
I wouldn't exactly call it relaxing, but it was interesting.
I remember you said you were either going to Europe or you were going to work at your parents' company.
I changed my mind and didn't do either of those. My anthropology professor talked me into volunteering.
Oke, ada profesor antropologinya dia. Berarti dia adalah seorang
Student.
Oke, student.
Volunteering for an archaeological project in New Mexico.
That does sound interesting.
Number 11. Who is Tina? Number 12. What will the two speakers probably discuss?
Berarti nanti akan diskusikan tentang yang terakhir kali mereka bicarakan apa?
Company.
I changed my mind and didn't do either of those. My anthropology professor talked me into volunteering for an archaeological project in New Mexico.
That does sound interesting.
Nah, itu terdengar menarik. Berarti nanti akan bahas tentang volunteer ya. Kan dibahas tadi volunteer activity di Meksiko.
The text by Sternberg.
That's Southwestern State University.
To a telephone conversation.
Good morning. Thanks for calling the sales office of Hillman and Johnson Publishers.
Yes, hello. This is Dave Gruning. I'm the manager of Kennedy Bookstore at Southwestern State University. I'm calling to check on the availability of a textbook, Case Studies in International Business, for the spring semester.
Let me just check that on my computer. Let's see. Is that the text by Sternberg?
That's right. I'll need at least 120 copies sent to the bookstore at the latest by next Wednesday.
I can't really promise they'll be there by next Wednesday. It may be the following week.
But that class starts on Monday of the following week.
Number 13. Who is the woman who answers the phone?
Ceweknya siapa kira-kira? Kalau clerk artinya juru tulis ya.
Pertanyaannya
Charlie?
apa?
Oke, siapa ceweknya? Ceweknya itu adalah publisher,
Charlie.
sales officer. Oke.
Publisher, sales officer.
Number 14. When does this conversation take place?
Kapan?
Alpha.
Kenapa?
Tadi katanya cowok tuh perlu bukunya itu sebelum term.
Oke, sebelum awal semester dimulai. Lanjut ya. Tinggal 2 pertanyaan lagi.
Questions 15 and 16. Listen to a conversation that takes place in a university office.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for an application form for the graduate school. Can I pick one up here?
No, this is the financial aid office. Graduate admissions is across campus from here. Do you know where Nicholson Hall is? It's in the office building next to that.
I'm not sure. I'm not very familiar with this campus.
Number 15. Where does the man probably work?
Cowoknya kira-kira kerja di mana?
C.
Yang mana?
C. In the financial aid office.
Kenapa tadi, Mbak?
Saya jawabnya sih. Saya
tadi
jawabnya
bilang-
sih tadi di awal terdengar ada kata financial aid office.
Oke. Apakah ini kantor Graduate Administration Office? Terus dibilang ya, bukan. Ini tuh kantornya Financial Aid. Berarti dia kemungkinan kerja di situ ya. Last question.
Number 16. What will the rest of the conversation probably deal with?
Nah, di sini kira-kira mau bahas apa? Requirement for graduate admission, direction to
Okay.
another office, the woman's need for scholarship. Kira-kira yang mana?
Kayaknya.
Alpha?
Requirements for graduate. Iya, apa?
Ayo, ingat tadi. Ini kantor ini enggak? Bukan. Ini kantor finansial. Terus dibilang, ini nanti kantor yang kamu tuju itu dekatnya Nicholson. Kamu tahu nggak
Direction.
Nicholson di mana? Berarti yang paling cocok adalah
Oh, direction.
Oke,
Direction to
nanti-
another office.
Ah,